Used SEONAM 2500 ton, open die hot forging press for sale. This press was previously operated in a leading forging company in Korea. This will be completely dismantled, inspected, and rebuilt by a press company. Once reassembled, it will perform like a brand new forging press. With maximum forging force of 2,500 tons and daylight of 3,400 millimeters, its reliability and performance are already proven in mass production. Delivery will take just 3 to 4 months. You will be able to get the power of a new press at unbeatable value. Contact us today at kts007799@gmail.com.